Selamat siang, perkenalkan nama saya Beben Aprianto Sigiro dengan NIM 2205531011. Di sini saya ingin mempresentasikan tentang finishing process or enclosing head treating. Cleaning process, vapor degrading, component cleaning tool or workpiece using solvent vapor. The cleaning process in vapor degradation occurs due to the condition of solvent vapor on the surface of the workpiece. B. Polishing process, conventional polishing. In addition to etching appearance, polishing process are used to facilitate fluid flow, eliminate burrs, create space for assembly, and eliminate surface indentation that may be stressor or place where corrosive material could become trapped. C. Planing process. Conventional electroplating. The method of applying a different metal to a workpiece by use of DC electric current, which drive an oxidation reaction at the anode and a reduction reaction at the cathode to deposit the metal. The painting or organic finishing, curtain coating. This coating technique involves pressing liquid paint out to create a falling curtain. Then passing the workpiece to the curtain to cut the entire surface uniformly. Electrode spray for coating. The paint powder in propelled into the spray gun by pressure air, where it reflects a strong electrical charge before being sprayed on the great workpiece. The powder adheres uniformly to the electronic force and melts in and often the great solid, long-lasting coating. Fluid bed powder coating. The powder is float in a container using compressed air in fluid bed powder coating. After that, the head workpiece is submerged in the powder. After cooling, the powder adheres to the workpiece surface and melts, creating a protective layer. Powder coating. Paint powder is produced to float with air and given a strong electrical charge in order to attract it to the great workpiece. Once the powder adheres, the workpiece is heated until the powder melts and produces a smooth hard coating. A chemical surface treatment. Anodizing is an electronic process that produces an oxide coating on aluminum and some other metal. Aluminum forms a neutral oxide surface with nothing, but this surface is much thinner and has much more limited properties than those that can be provided by anodizing. F. Other coating. Vacuum metallizing. Vacuum metallizing is a process of coating this metal by evaporating the metal in a vacuum, then condensing it on the surface of the workpiece. Sputtering. Sputtering is a coating process under vacuum in which high energy argon ions strike the target metal surface until the atoms are resolved and attached to the workpiece surface. Wire metallizing. Wire metallizing is a coating process in which metal wire is melted with oxygas flame, then sprayed onto the surface of the workpiece using high pressure air. Electrical arc wire metallizing. Two metal wires use electrode in metal placing production. An electrical is created when their end come into contact. Melting the wires, high pressure air is used to spray the result molten metal onto the workpiece surface, creating a robust, corrosion resistant protective metal layer. Powder spraying. The fire is created by a car gas, then melted by hot gas and fired onto the surface to form a protective or functional layer on the metal substrate. Detentional gun spraying. One of the thermal spray techniques that accelerates and metal powder particles using rapid explosion or in the detentional to create a strong, dense, and extremely hard coating and the metal surface. Plasma art spraying. One of the plasma spray or plasma spraying methods which melts the metal powder and applies it as a coating to the separate surface using a very high temperature plasma. High velocity oxy flame coating. One the thermal spray designs that produce very high spray span 700 until 1200 meters per second with temperature high enough to melt the powder but not as high as plasma spray. Heat treating of metals. This diagram shows the microstructural price change in iron carbon when heat or cooled with different carbon composition. Internal annealing, a steel softening method that produce a more uniform and smoother structure than full annealing. This process is faster because the transformation occurs at the constant temperature, but it requires very precise temperature control. Carburizing. The process of carburizing involves heating steel in a carbon-rich environment to add carbon the steel surface, hardening it while leaving the interior malleable. The workpiece is put in close contact with an activator. The workpiece is dipped into a molten salt bed containing a carbon-bearing compound or a solely sedan or carbon compound. The workpiece is inserted into a closed furnace or retort. Gas containing carbon, for example, method, is flowed into the furnace. Production marketing methods. Pet plating. A direction plating method used to transfer image or writing from a printing plate to the surface of workpiece, even uncurved, uneven, or complex surface. Thank you. Udah dong. Udah dong.
Udah.